Choose the given sample company. Click on Entries and proceed to Payment In. Enter the customer name in the Payer column. Click on button Go to input the payment details. Enter the payment description and amount. Choose Assign Payment for Later and click on Payment Details. Fill in all the information accordingly and click on Save button. A pop-up box appears as your payment has been saved and proceed to the next step. Once click the Pending Assign tab, we are able to view the transaction which has been assigned later. Click on the Assign button to assign the payment. Choose Accounts Type and enter the payment amount. Click on Save button to save. Go to Auto Accounts tab below to log in. Select Sample Company and click on Entries. Go to General Ledger and select Unapproved GL. You can view your payment in Unapproved GL and tick right button to approve GL. Once your GL is approved, you can view in Reports.